I am NJ here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view the phrases that express a certain feeling or emotion. These phrases are called exclamatory sentences or phrases. Exclamatory sentences or phrases are commonly used in speaking. They are part and parcel of English language, and these exclamatory phrases and sentences are taught in academics, schools, colleges, and studies. Let's start today's lesson. The first phrase is, "What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy!" Here you see, my students, this is an exclamation sign. Exclamation sign indicates that this sentence, this phrase is an exclamatory phrase, and it starts with a wet, 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 and wet, wet. What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy! कितना बड़ा सान्या है. What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy! कितना बड़ा सान्या है. Tragedy means a big incident. A big incident is a synonym of tragedy. A big incident is a synonym of a tragedy. What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy! What a great tragedy! कितना बड़ा सान्या है. These phrases are occasionally spoken at the situations when the situations rise. These phrases are spoken normally, and these express the feelings or emotions, certain feelings or emotions of humans. Exclamatory phrases are those phrases or sentences that express a certain feeling or emotion of humans. So, इंसानी जो अचानक एहसासात हैं और इंसानी एहसासात और उनके जो जज्बात हैं, उनके इजहार के लिए ऐसे जुमले एक्सक्लेमेटरी, इस्तिजाबिया जुमले इन्हें कहते हैं उर्दू में. इस्तिजाबिया जुमले, एक्सक्लेमेटरी जुमले, फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस ये बोले जाते हैं, अदा किए जाते हैं. ये एक अचानक सडन इमोशन होती है या फीलिंग्स होती हैं किसी चीज़ को देख के, किसी सान्यों को देख के, किसी इवेंट को देख के, किसी इंसिडेंट को देख के, किसी सरप्राइजिंग चीज़ को देख के. These phrases show a certain feeling of some emotion, some expression, some feeling or a surprise. Surprise जो है वो भी इसमें शामिल है, जैसे hurrah, alas. These are the words that show the joy or खुशी. Joy and sorrow, that show, reflect the joy and sorrow. Alas reflects the sorrow, and hurrah reflects the joy. Hurrah, we have won the match. Hurrah, we have won the match. Aha, हमने मैच जीत लिया. So here we have explained that exclamatory sentences express a sudden human feeling, emotion and a surprise. So let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और इसे रीड आउट करते हैं. Here you are, my students. The next one is, what a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! कितना खूबसूरत मंजर है, कितना प्यारा मंजर है. Lovely means प्यारा. What a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! कितना प्यारा मंजर है. What a lovely sight! What a lovely sight! कितना प्यारा मंजर है. This phrase also starts with a wet and wet. This word is spoken in two accents, wet or wet. What a lovely sight! 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 कितना प्यारा मंजर है. Let's move to the next phrase. Next phrase you see here. What a melodious song! What a melodious song! What a melodious song! What a melodious song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. What a melodious song! What a melodious song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. वही always enjoy the music, and music plays a great role in human listenings and human societies. Music, music is important, and many people day to day they listen different music, classical music, rock and roll, and other musics of singers, best singers of the world, and well-renowned singers of the world. So, in that regard, this exclamatory phrase is spoken. What a melodious song! What a melodious song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. Melodious means sweet. Melodious means sweet. The synonym of melodious is sweet. What a sweet song! What a sweet song! What a sweet song! What a melodious song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. The people who have taste for music, they often speak this. They discuss, they express the emotion or feeling about the songs. So, in that regard, this sentence or phrase is commonly spoken. What a melodious song! What a melodious song! What a melodious song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. What a sweet song! What a sweet song! कितना सुरीला नगमा है. Let's move to the next phrase. Next statement here. You see here. What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! कितना आलीशान महल है. What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! कितना आलीशान महल है. What a marvelous palace! कितना आलीशान महल है. This phrase also expresses the emotion or feelings, human emotions or feelings. What a marvelous! What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! Marvelous means grand. Grand means alishan. Beautifully built, very beautifully decorated, very beautifully built. What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! What a grand palace! What a grand palace! The synonym of marvelous is grand. What a grand palace! कितना अजीमशान महल है. In many countries, palaces are open for the general public, and when people visit them, they do praise these palaces, which are constructed by the very skillful artists, very skillful masons, very skillful engineers, and these palaces are a symbol of kingship, and people praise them, people like them, people salute them. So, what a marvelous palace! What a marvelous palace! कितना खूबसूरत महल है. What a marvelous palace! What a grand palace! कितना आलीशान महल है. What a marvelous palace! What a grand palace! कितना आलीशान महल है. Let's move to the next phrase. Next sentence is what a gorgeous doll! What a gorgeous doll! What a gorgeous doll! कितनी खूबसूरत गुड़िया है. What a gorgeous doll! What a gorgeous doll! कितनी खूबसूरत गुड़िया है. This is also a beautiful phrase. What a gorgeous doll! What a gorgeous doll! कितनी प्यारी गुड़िया है. What a gorgeous doll! कितनी प्यारी गुड़िया है. Gorgeous means pretty. Gorgeous means pretty. Synonym of gorgeous is pretty. What a pretty doll! 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 What a gorgeous doll! What a gorgeous doll! कितनी प्यारी गुड़िया है. What a pretty doll! What a pretty doll! कितनी प्यारी गुड़िया है. कितनी खूबसूरत गुड़िया है. Let's move to the next phrase. Next phrase is what a funny clown. See, what a funny clown. See, what a funny clown. You see, what a funny clown. You see, कितना मज़ाहिया मस्करा है. What a funny clown. You see, funny mean मज़ाहिया. What a funny clown. You see, what a funny clown. You see, कितना मज़ाहिया मस्करा है. What a funny clown. You see, देखिए कितना मज़ाहिया मस्करा है. What a funny clown. You see, देखिए कितना मज़ाहिया मस्करा है. Clowns are decorated. They decorate themselves beautifully. They make their dresses so beautiful, so colorful. They make the people laugh. So clowns are a part and parcel of Western civilizations, and even in Eastern civilizations, they play a very important role in the human society. They make people laugh. They do the things by which people enjoy and treat them and people become happy. So clowns make people happy. They do such acrobats. They do such tricks. They do such acrobats. They make the people laugh. They try to create joys among people. So clowns are a very important part of Western or Eastern societies. They are respected. They have respectful point. They have respectful place in a society, and they are greeted. They are greeted by every walk of people, by children, by boys, by youngs, by youth, by elderly people. So clowns make people happy. They do such a tricks. They play such a acrobat. They do such an acrobatic things. They play tricks. So clowns are very exciting. They make us laugh. So why don't we praise them? Why don't we greet them? They are part of our societies. So this is also a beautiful phrase. So watch a funny clown, you see. Watch a funny clown, you see. Watch a funny clown, you see. आप देखिए कितना मजाया मस्करा है. Watch a funny clown, you see. देखिए कितना मजाया मस्करा है. Hey, my students, these are very interesting phrases. These phrases are commonly spoken to show, to express a certain feeling or emotion or a surprise. Memorize these phrases and keep on watching my videos. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.